All right, today we're going to tear down a really fascinating new project in the Solana ecosystem called Singularity.io. Now, on the surface, it looks like this super slick, futuristic platform, but trust me, what's hiding under the hood? Well, that's the real game changer. And they are not shy about their ambitions. Right out of the gate, their mission is building the future of Solana. Look, that is a massive claim. It tells you they're not just trying to launch another dApp, they're aiming to build something foundational for the entire ecosystem. So let's take a look at what you see at first glance. Singularity.io presents itself as this beautiful, interactive web platform. You've got this cool 3D neural network visualization. You've got seamless Phantom wallet integration so you can connect right into Solana. And they're even talking about their own custom blockchain built in Rust. It's really positioned as this front door to a new digital economy. Now, at the heart of their whole pitch is this phrase, Sol Fun Meme Technology. I know, the name sounds a bit playful, right? But the goal behind it is dead serious. They want to solve some of the most fundamental problems on the blockchain. And a big part of that comes down to using AI to bring a whole new level of integrity and transparency to the space. Okay, so all of this looks incredibly impressive. You see the slick dashboard, the awesome graphics, but what's actually making it all tick? What is the real engine doing the heavy lifting behind this pretty face? How does this interface actually deliver on those huge promises? And here's where it gets really, really interesting. Singularity.io isn't just one thing. You've got to think of it as two distinct but deeply connected pieces. So on one side, you have the web platform we've been looking at, the user interface, but on the other side, you have this incredibly sophisticated AI framework designed to run totally autonomous agents. Let's zero in on that second piece, because this is where the magic happens. We're talking about an autonomous AI research agent. Think of it as a specialized AI brain built in Python and specifically engineered to tackle really complex, multi-step jobs that go way beyond just answering a simple prompt. You know, a really simple way to think about this is like a high-performance car. That interactive Solana website, that's your sleek, polished dashboard. It's got all the controls, all the readouts, everything you need to interact with it. But this AI agent framework, that's the powerful engine under the hood, doing all the real work. And the absolute cornerstone feature of this engine, its main purpose, is its incredible ability to perform a deep semantic analysis of software. Now, it's not just reading lines of code. It's designed to truly understand the architecture, the logic, and all the little details of entire software projects. So how does it do that? Well, this diagram lays it out perfectly. The AI agent runs what they call an indexing pipeline. First, it clones a project's code. Then it parses all the files. And here's the really clever part. It splits the code into meaningful semantic chunks. Then it turns those chunks into a mathematical format, vector representations that an AI can actually understand, and stores them for lightning-fast analysis. Okay. So we've got a cool website and a powerful AI backend. I get it. But here's the million-dollar question. How do we actually know they're connected? What's the proof that this amazing AI engine is really powering the Solana platform, and it's not just, two separate projects that happen to share a name? Well, the proof is right here, hiding in plain sight in the project's own file structure. And honestly, this is a fantastic example of transparent development. Look at it. Right alongside the usual folders for the web front end and the API, there is a folder called Singularity Agent. That is not a coincidence. That is stone-cold proof of a deep, transparent collaboration. So, the takeaway here is absolutely crucial. The AI agent framework isn't just sitting next to the web app, it is a core submodule inside of it. The engine is literally bolted into the chassis of the car. The brain is hardwired to the body. This is one unified, integrated system. So what does all this deep integration actually let you do? Well, this is where the power really gets unlocked, especially for the crypto space. Imagine being able to point this AI at a brand new project and get instant, automated technical due diligence, or using it to audit a massive protocol for security holes before they get exploited. You could even run a deep competitive analysis, all of it automated. And this right here is why this technology is so important. It ties directly back to those core ideals of the blockchain world: trust, integrity, and transparency. By automating these incredibly complex audits, a system like this can bring a new level of honesty to the entire space. It's an unbiased, data-driven way to check the quality and security of projects, which is absolutely essential if we're going to build a truly trustworthy ecosystem. And that leaves us with one final, pretty provocative thought. If you have an AI that can deeply understand and audit code without any human bias, what does that mean for the future of decentralized systems? Could a system like this become the ultimate impartial auditor for the entire blockchain, creating a new gold standard of transparency, ethics, and security for everybody? It's a powerful idea, and it's one that could genuinely shape the future of Solana.